Hi guys, so today's video is going to be another weekly vlog, and right now is currently 10:54 and I have 6 minutes to put some clothes on and leave the house. I have a 11 AM lecture today, and then I have, well, I don't have anything, but I'm going to head to the library because I do need to get some work done, and I'm not getting it done at my place, quite frankly. So I'm just gonna head to the library for a couple hours and finish off that work. And if I have time, once I'm done in the library, I'll just head to see my tutor about that said work, just to see if I'm all right with that. Okay, this is my outfit for today. I'm wearing this golden jumper. Me and black hoodies is an issue. I'm wearing also these straight leg or wide leg joggers from ASOS and my white Air Force things. I don't know what bag I'm gonna wear yet, but this is just my outfit today. Just casual. Okay, I'm officially running late. It's 3 minutes past. My class starts in 10 minutes or 12 minutes. So yeah, this is the outfit. Just wearing a black golden jumper. My coat is from Monkey. I feel like this intro to this vlog has been very, very rushed, but yeah, I just need to get out right now. So I will speak to you guys in a bit. From now on, I'm probably just going to be recording on my phone. If I can record anything in the library, I can guarantee the library is going to be pretty busy at this time. So the library. Yep, so I've just got in. The time is currently 7:27. No, not 7:27, 5:27. Obviously I had my class at 11 something this morning, at 11:15. That was an hour class. So then at 12:15 I went to the library with a couple people in my class, and then some more people came, and we were just in a room together. But I didn't really get as much work as I wanted to get done, just because some of the people that we were with, like, it's kind of hard to focus when there's a large group and like loads of people are talking and stuff. Like I said, I need to check my class actually, because I don't actually know what time it is. No, okay, so I've got class from 1 till 5, and I've got 2-hour creative writing class from 1 till 3, and then from 3 till 5 I've got a romantics period class. So that should be fun. So in the morning I'm going to try and get up at like 8:39. It take me about an hour to get ready, and then I want to get to the library by 10:30. So then from 10:30 till 1 I can just be in the library, and then like it's almost in the same building, my class. Like the buildings are connected, so it won't take too long to get from the library to the building that my class is in. Good morning guys. I am getting ready for class again. Got 2 classes today. They're both 2-hour long, so I'm in classes from 1 till 5 today, and the time is currently 1:45. I'm going to leave in about 15 minutes to head to my first creative writing class. In that, I'm going to have a break in between that 2-hour class, and I need to go and see one of my other lecturers about my assignment, just to make sure that like everything's good, even though it's not like a marked one. Still, I just want to get as much of this one done, because it is a plan for the main one that's due in the beginning, from a month from now actually. So the beginning of December it's due. But the more that you do now, the easier that one's going to be, if that makes sense. Like, it's like a formative, so it's just a plan, and then you get feedback on it, make sure you're on the right path, stuff like that. But I just want to see him before I hand it in, because I just want to make sure, like, see if there's anything that I can add that can just make my later article work stronger. This is my outfit of the day. yeah, none of it's iron, so let's ignore. My top is from Pull & Bear. It's this 2-pack top that I wear all the time because I love 2-pack t-shirts. I love 2-pack, but yeah. Then my jeans are from Boohoo. Then I'm just wearing my Air Forces with that. I'm gonna fling on a jumper. So I'm gonna go grab my parcel and then come back upstairs, and I'm probably gonna be late for my lecture, but it is what it is. Simon won't care. Walking home from the library. It's currently bonfire night, so there's fireworks popping off. I just can't see them. Can you guys hear the fireworks? Oh my god, I almost slipped on mud. If I die, I don't know why these roads are so muddy, but yeah. Yeah, it feels like it's so late. It's like not even that late, but obviously the clocks went back last week, so that's why that's happening. The sky is so dark. Like, at least you can't see any, and I'm really upset about it. I just have some meatballs and pasta with some cheese. I'm watching Criminal Minds, not Criminal Minds. Watching some Law and Order SVU, eating my dinner, and hi guys. So yeah, this vlog is turning out to be a bit of a shambles just because yeah, basically it's now Thursday. I didn't vlog anything yesterday just because I was really running late in the morning, and then after that I was like, I got home, I uploaded an assignment, I ate dinner, and I went to bed. Like literally I was in bed by like 10:30 and asleep like by 10:45. I was just so knackered yesterday, and I was working all day as well. Like I worked 9:30 till 6:30. So yeah, so I actually have quite a lot to do today. So I got up at 7:30 this morning. The time is currently 9, and I just like packed my bag and stuff. I'm gonna leave at 1:45, so I've got 45 minutes. Just want to get my makeup done, and then I'm going to go to the nail shop. Now I am in deep need of an infill, so I'm gonna get infill today. Go to the nail shop at 10. I have class at 12, and then I have work at 2. So the time is currently 9:41. I'm just eating my breakfast. I need to actually, like, I'm only 50% dressed. I just put on this hoodie because I was cold, but like I don't have my top on or anything. To be fair, I don't even really know what I'm wearing today. But for my breakfast, I don't know if you guys really care, I have egg, ham, and just have some scrambled egg and ham on toast. I did want to leave now, but I called the nail shop. They're not that busy, so probably gonna get there for like 10:10. So yeah, I'll leave in like 15-20 minutes. I'm a fast walker, so it won't take me that long to get there. So hi guys, basically I've been home for a while now, and I didn't even read the work I was meant to do for class, so that's fun. But I'm actually gonna change. I don't know what to wear. My camera is still flashing red, but I got soaked outside. It's raining so heavily, even with my umbrella. I got soaking wet, and I'm probably gonna be late to class because once again I've left it to the last minute to do what I needed to do. So I need to leave in 6 minutes, but I'm not gonna leave in 6 minutes because I'm not ready yet. Good morning guys. So this lighting is not great. So basically what is happening right now is that All my ASOS packages and all my coats and stuff are on there. And I was gonna film an ASOS haul when I go home, just because I'll have my tripod and everything, but I'm not gonna be able to take everything home. And I've already taken under this jumper here, there's like some washing that I'm gonna take home to do. So the time is currently 10:30, and I'm leaving in about 15-20 minutes to walk to the bus station so that I can get the bus home. I was gonna get my nails drilled off this morning, but I just can't be bothered. And I paid for it, and when I called them to ask, they were basically like, if you want to like drill it off, it's free, but if you want to get another color, it's going to be another £15. And I was just like, I already paid £20 yesterday, so there's like, I'm just going to stick with it. Like, it's not as bad as, like, I don't know, it just wasn't the vibe that I was going for, but I'm just gonna stick it out and deal with it. Also, I didn't vlog yesterday. I didn't actually go to work yesterday. I just came home and like did piss all, really. I packed last night and like did washing up and stuff, but yeah. Okay, so I don't know why this light is so white. It makes me look really ashy, but I promise I'm not. Like, I'm not ashy. What was I gonna say? Yeah, so I'm back home now, thank the Lord, and I'm getting ready to go out. We're heading to the Prince of Peckham, also drinking my wine. You guys know the drill by now. Summer Berries Echo Falls, 9%. Bottle of that will get you feeling right for the night. Also, my dad comes home today. I wasn't sure if he would be home this weekend, because he doesn't come home every weekend, but he should be home shortly. Definitely before I leave, I'm gonna see him before I head out. I'm leaving the house around 8, so yeah, definitely before I leave I'm gonna see him, hopefully, anyway. Rise and shine. Okay, I changed, so I'm wearing this top. I think it's from AliExpress. Yep, this is my new outfit. Top from AliExpress, jeans from Boohoo, and then Air Forces. So I'm just gonna turn these guys down a bit. Oh, hi Pids. My dad just got in, or got back in from going out. I'm dressed and ready to go. I don't think I can take my camera just because I'm only carrying my mini bag. I think both, it's my outfit of the night, both my jacket and my top are from AliExpress.
Hi guys, this is my Instagram handle. It's levitating, dropping. She's gonna put fire around it.
She says there's a fire on her. I'm not doing any of that. Cheers, good night.
This one's